This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Enable wireless power share in quick settings. Make sure your Samsung's battery is at least 20% because sharing drains it fast. Put any thick case or metal off the AirPods charging case. Thin silicone is okay. Place the phone face down on a flat surface so the phone's wireless coil aligns near the top center. Once done, position the AirPods case on the phone's center with the case lid closed and hinge pointing away from you. Now fine-tune alignment. Small shifts matter. Slide the AirPods case a centimeter at a time until the Samsung shows the wireless power share icon or says charging placed device. The white LED on the AirPods wireless case should blink or stay lit to confirm charging. If it stays dark, try a slight rotation. Make sure both devices remain still and avoid moving them because alignment loss will stop charging. If the phone warms, that's normal. Complete the session by watching the AirPods case LED or your phone's charge status. When done, turn off wireless power share to save your phone battery. Also let the phone cool if it became warm. Charging efficiency drops with heat. If charging never started, make sure the AirPods case supports Qi wireless charging, reboot the phone, and retry alignment. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try another wireless charging device on the phone to confirm power share works before concluding the AirPods case is the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.